Hi guys, so I have this Toyota Hilux. It's a 2KD engine. I want to show you a quick video on injection feedback. So what happens on this vehicle is as you're driving, at times you see some black smoke. So I need to check the injector values. So I'm using Autel AP 200 for this video. So let's start with diagnosis. It's a Toyota, connecting to the device. Scanning. Okay, it's connected. So basically, at times when you're driving, you see black smoke coming out of the tailpipe. So I became a bit curious, and I needed to check the injection values. So injection values for this car should be somewhere around 0 at any given time. So if you have negative 0.5 going to negative 0. Say for instance 0.5 to negative 5, then you have rich mixture in the vehicle, which means the injectors could be spraying too much fuel. If you have a positive number, 0.5 to 5, then it means your vehicle is running lean, so there could be a blockage in the fuel system. Then okay, go to Hilux. It's a 2KD engine. It's 2012, so you get 2009 going up. This vehicle hasn't got vehicle stability control. So this is a quick one. So you see what happens with the values. You choose the control unit, engine. As you do this process, always make sure you don't have any fault codes in the system, because if you have any fault codes, those may alter the readings on the injection values. Also, you have to check the fuel pressure in the rail. That's very important also. So let's start with the trouble codes. Let's see what's there. The car hasn't got any engine check light on it, so there are no fault codes confirmed. Then we go to live data. Live data gives you the current performance of the engine, the sensors and everything. Currently the engine is not running, so we'll see what we have. I'm just from driving this car, so the engine temperature is already almost at operating temperature. So we have here engine code at 0 pieces. That's number 1. Injection feedback values 00. Area of interest is the injection values. That's for each cylinder. So we go down. The coolant temperature, as you can see, it's 75, almost at the operating temperature. It's a 4-cylinder engine. Okay, it's a 2KD Hilux. Immobilizers on. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Injection feedback value for number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. So the engine is not running and all the values are at 0. This is what you should expect even when you set the engine. The value should be somewhere around 0. So if it's a bit off, it could be plus or minus 0.3. Anything more than that, then there's a problem. So let's start the engine, then see what we have. Okay, the engine is on, it's running, and already you can see the values. So cylinder number 1 is 0.1 meter cubed per stroke. Cylinder number 2 is negative 0.5. Number 3 is at negative 0.4. And injector number 4 is at 0.1. So this tells you that injector number 1 and injector number 4 are operating very well, but the other 2 are off. So there's a possibility that the injectors have started wearing off. The mileage is 162,000 kilometers. So definitely we should have a bit of a problem there. Let me show you something here on let's see how much fuel pressure is coming into the engine, into the rail. So the fuel pressure is 27,800, that's 28 kPa, kilopascal, that's 29, yeah, 29.3, 29,300. So this is the pressure in the fuel rail, which is okay. The target pressure is somewhere around 30,000 kPa. Let's see the target pressure over here. The target common rail pressure is 30,000. So this vehicle is just within range in terms of fuel pressure, but the injectors are not operating correctly. That is cylinder number 2 and cylinder number 4. So this is a quick video on how you can diagnose your injectors. Any negative value indicates high fuel consumption, and the engine is trying to reduce the fuel. That's why it's negative numbers. Any positive above 0.5, then it's a lean mixture, so you could have a clog in the fuel injectors. Anything else I'd like to talk about here? The fuel temperature. Okay, let's look at the engine speed. Engine speed, the engine is running at 47, 49 revs per minute, which is good. Temperature 75. Battery voltage 13.8. Charging system is good. Calculated load, very important. Let me look at this. Calculated load is at 24.7%. This figure should be around 11 degrees. Oh, sorry, 11% for this engine, but it's 23. So already it shows you the problem on this car. So this is a quick video on how you can check the injection values. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.